How to record 4K video on the iPhone 13 and 13 series phones. Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos. I'll be showing you guys how to record in 4K video on your iPhone 13. So first thing we're going to want to do is start off by going into camera and switch over to video right here. And when you're in video, right up here at the top right hand corner, you'll see HD and 30. If you want to go 4K, all you got to do is hit that HD and it'll be put it to 4K. And if you want to, there's a 30, a 60, and a 24. Those are frames per second. So when you're in 24 frames per second, you'll get a more choppy video, something like the older films that like to use older films. If you go 30, it's the standard. 30 is the standard. And then if you go 60, this will be very smooth, something even kind of just real clean, fresh, and good, smooth recording. So another thing I just want to tell you guys, so let's say you recorded some video, 4K, and you're recording, whatever, and then you finish, and you close out your camera app. So normally if you just recorded, you go back, your settings are still there. So 4K and 60 frames per second are there. But let's say you went ahead and exited out all your apps, so you turn that off. You go back into camera, that resets back to 30 and HD in 30. So just kind of keep that in mind if you are recording. That is how to set your 4K to record in 4K. But every time you close that camera app, this will reset, so you'll have to set that again. So there you guys have it. This is my quick tutorial on how to record 4K on the iPhone 13. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you know anybody looking for this information, please do share it with them. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a good day.